Hi everyone. Today I'm going to walk you through the new batch actions that we have introduced in the editor. So we have introduced three more batch actions. So if you select a key, we have the batch action tray at the bottom of the screen. And then if you go into the three dotted menu, we have attach screenshots, attach Figma preview, and correct element. So these are three new batch actions that were not available before. Now you can set and remove character limits in a batch action to the set of keys. How cool is that? So right now you see when you start off, it's 0. It gives you an option to remove character limit. So if I, for example, want to remove the set character limit, it will give me a notification, okay, removed. So if I go to the key, you can see there is no character limit set. Otherwise, it would have been displayed. So for example, now if I want to set character limit for this key, I would just go character limit. I'll type in, let's say 400. And now you see that the action has changed. So action has changed to set character limit rather than remove character limit. And I want to set it and character limit removed. And you can immediately see it was displayed on the key card, on the key level, and you can 400. And it also gives you an indication that it is exceeding. So that's one. And the second thing is that now you can upload screenshots in a batch action. So you can upload not just a screenshot, but you can also upload multiple screenshots. So for example, if I want to go here, I've taken just two screenshots that I want to upload. So for example, this and these two. I have two screenshots that I want to upload to these two keys, and then I'll upload, and then it gives me a notification and screenshot added to the keys. So for example, if I go to the key itself, now you can see one screenshot has been added, the second, yeah. So both of the screenshots have been added. Um, that's the batch action. There's the second batch action, and then we have, of course, Figma preview link. So if you have Figma preview that you want to add, so for example over here, uh, this has been my example for long. Copy link. You just have to copy the link. When you paste the copy link, it already gives you a preview of the file, so that you're sure that this is the link, this is the file, this is the screen that you want to add to all of these keys that you've selected. And it's not yet added. So unless you press add link, it won't be added. And so that's a really nice improvement or feature that we provide in terms of the user flow, that they're able to just view it before even adding. So if I add link, you can immediately see it's been added and displayed in the references. So yes, these are the all new batch actions in the editor. Thank you.